Hi, Lakeshore friends. Megan here. Welcome to Tips and Tricks for Supporting Positive Behaviors While Learning from Home. So, by now, I'm sure you've made your schedules and you're doing your very best to stick to the schedule, keep your children on task, and their minds engaged and learning. Well, today I'm going to share with you 3 tools that I used during my experiences teaching first grade that will really help support those positive behaviors and continued learning, even when you do hit those bumps in the road. Number 1, make a positive behavior chart. This can be a simple chart that you make out of construction paper or graph paper. Sit down together with your child to make the goals for the chart. This personalizes the chart and makes them feel more accountability for achieving the goals. You can keep it simple by only adding one goal, like we've done here on Gigi's behavior chart. Together, come up with a reward. This gives your child motivation and helps them know what they're working towards. Allow your child to fill in the chart on their own. They can do that using stickers or by coloring in the boxes. Number 2, focus on the positive and celebrate the small stuff in a big way. Children love praise, so don't always correct or reprimand. That focuses on the negative behavior. Find something positive to point out. For example, oh, wow, I like the way that you're sitting and concentrating on your work right now, even if it is the first time your child has sat down all day. You could also use a positive role model as reference. For example, look at how dad is sitting and concentrating on his work so nicely. This worked like a charm in a class of 26. You are positively reinforcing one child while reminding the other of the expectation without having to say, sit down, do your work. And be sure to celebrate those positives in a big way. When I was busy in the classroom and I couldn't always take time to celebrate, a lot of times I would do high fives across the classroom. They love that. But one of the biggest favorites in the classroom was our cheers. So that only takes a couple seconds and you're really celebrating in a big way. For example, the train goes a little bit like this. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Or the firecracker. Well, you get the picture. For even more fun, make up your own family cheers that you can do together. And finally, number 3, take brain breaks. Many behavior issues occur because children are frustrated or they've lost engagement. Take several brain breaks throughout the day. This will help children stay focused and retain the information. So a couple brain break ideas include have a 2-minute dance party, skip around the backyard, do some stretching, talk about something other than schoolwork for a few minutes. Parents, you can join in too. Adults need brain breaks also. So here's a quick recap to support those positive behaviors. Make a positive behavior chart, focus on the positive, and celebrate those wins, no matter how small. And don't forget brain breaks. I hope these tips were helpful. Happy learning.
Keep watching our Learning at Home videos. Plus, visit lakeshorelearning.com for thousands of free resources.